Okay, here's this phone. It's an LG. I can't read the IME, but it's a K51, I believe. And the screen's got holes in it, and it won't turn on. And my friend, he got water in it or something, and you know, sometimes it turns on, but you can't see anything. Anyway, it's all screwed up. And I can't use the program because when I plug it in, it says I have to authorize USB debugging, whatever, but I can't see it. I've tried tapping it, that area, but it doesn't work. So there you go, guys. I'm sorry the program didn't work. I would have gladly paid for it.